Here we go. We're back at it again. We're on a over here on a McLaren 570 pickup. I don't know if I can get this thing on the truck. See where it's at. It's in that garage over there. I don't have a lot of room. I don't know if I can get this thing loaded or not. Man, there's AC units and everything. This is not gonna be an easy load. Anyway, and nobody knows how to load these cars because there ain't no videos on YouTube how to load them. So I'm going to drop this clip right here just for the people that tow these cars and also the owners of these vehicles to know how these cars are supposed to be towed. I'm sure you can come in here with some dollies in a wheel lift truck, but only problem with that, you're gonna have a hard time. And I've done it. I know. I've helped people do it. Putting your dolly rod across here and raising up, you're gonna crack this right here. So wheel lifted dollies are not always the best option to doing these cars. And I don't care who you are, what you drive. You're another tow guy and you know how to do these cars. Come on, man. Put some videos on. Don't do a bunch of talking. Put some videos on YouTube. It's real easy and it's real free. So in other words, before somebody comes on the comments and talks about how great they are at doing these right here, there ain't nobody on the planet that's better than towing these right here than Eugene King. Y'all a chance to meet Eugene right here. Number 000 out of 755. Look at that. That's insane. This is Mr. Eugene right here. Beautiful, man. Anyway, these cars are going to the Braves Stadium. Some kind of exhibit or something. They're going down there, going on stage down there. First up, we got a wheel lifter right here. I'm gonna come back and grab this one. It's a Lancer Evolution. It's a nice little car. It's got some damage and some dents. This property here is on Skid Row. We've probably got 6 properties on this little stretch of road, and it's just south of Gwinnett. It's the DeKalb County area, and I've had guns pulled on me down here in this area twice. What's going on, man? How you doing? Uh-oh. Looks like we got a test drive. Let's see if this is the right vehicle. Yeah, the right one. That's it right there. That girl just come running over here. She went to knock on somebody's door. She just went to knock on somebody's door about their car. That's what she's doing right now. There we go. Now they gave. They gave you 2 weeks.
I know. I have until the end of today. I'm taking it to the mechanic this afternoon.
Well, the office didn't tell me nothing about the end of the day. They told me to tow it. It's got.
It's the 16th.
It's got a test drive tag. I mean, I'm not hooked to it.
No. I understand.
What'd you say? I'm just here doing my job. It's got a test drive.
I understand.
I'm here to tow.
I'll go to the office again because they told me I had until the 16th. I have to go to the job.
Well, it's got a test drive tag. I mean, it's
I know.
It had another tag. It had a 2019.
I have a problem with the inspection. That's why I couldn't
Okay. Well, does it run?
It runs, but it's going to be a mess.
Okay.
That's the problem.
I understand. And I'm not trying. Hey, I'm not here to make. I'm not here to make your life difficult.
No, I went to the building.
I'm here to tow what the office tells me to tow. If this truck had a 2019 tag on it, y'all pulled the 2019 off and put the test drive on it.
Oh, I don't know what was on it because it was brought to me. It was actually gifted to me. People owed me money that I borrowed it. It was gifted to me, and they told me, once you get it fixed, take off the test drive because it's not going to pass the emission. I didn't have the money, so I now have the money, so now I need to take it to the shop. It's not going to be here this afternoon. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay, well, I'm just in a situation. They call us out here to get these cards, and we.
Let me just get my telephone, and I'll tell them to come and get it right now.
Anyway, we'll see what happens. She's gonna call the office. I don't have a hook on it, and the way she's describing it does run. She just can't get the emissions to pass. So if that's the case, I'm gonna have to hold up on this and see what happens. I'm not hooked to it. By law, I'm not hooked to it. So, man. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go to my next one. I don't want to get caught up in any drama and have to do a payout. May 20. Been stickered. Is it yours? Yeah. The office gave everybody 2 weeks to fix their tags and stuff. They gave them 2 weeks. And now they're telling it's tow day.
But where did they put the thing at?
The sticker was on the side window. Yeah, it was stickered. It was stickered right here. Does it run?
Huh?
Does it run?
Yeah, but there was no, I don't have the key right now, but I didn't see the sticker on the car.
Well, somebody peeled the sticker off. Well, somebody peeled it off.
So why would they keep it? This office did that?
It was done by the property management.
I got time to tow cars when I fix my, okay. Hold on, let me call you.
Yeah. Office manager asked me to drop that car. That person said it's their car and it runs, but they don't have a key. How many people you know pull up to their house and they got a car but they don't have a key for it? How many people own a car and don't have a key for it? And this type of work, it will test your it'll test your nerves. There's no doubt about that. And I don't want to misrepresent things on my channel. I do pretty good a lot of times. I handle my handle the stress pretty good. But I got to be real with the channel. I don't always handle it that well. I do have a little bit of PTSD, anger issues, and I do freak out. I will freak out doing this type of work. And over time of doing it, I've learned how to keep it together. I just passed the Dodge Ram. It's already gone. Somebody came and got the Dodge Ram off the property already. We're gonna go ahead and load this Lancer. Anyway, I got that Lancer back to the yard. I just wanted to mention right now a lot of property managers are being real lenient to the residents that live on these properties. And the reason they're doing that is because the pandemic's going on, and there is a lot of people affected by this pandemic. And yeah, there is some people that are using the pandemic as an excuse. And there's a lot of people that have jobs going on. There's a lot of work in Atlanta. Atlanta's got jobs. I don't care what you hear on the media. There's people hiring all over Atlanta. So people are using the pandemic as an excuse to not get their tags. But there is people that are affected by it. So the property managers are being lenient right now. I've never seen property managers ask us to drop as many times as they are right now. And it's like I said, it's because of the pandemic. But we just and there is people suffering. There's no question about people suffering by the pandemic. People have lost jobs. They're having to take somebody out of the workforce to watch the kids because there ain't nowhere to take the kids. So it has affected some people. So that makes sense. We cater to the managers. We do what they want, and that's just how it works. So it's got a little bit understandable why they do it. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next. Hey there, welcome back. Non-consensual towing. We're pulling in right now on a property. They got a few here for sure. This car right here's got expired tag on it, sticker a couple of months in a row. So we're going to be towing that one. Yeah, July 20 on it. So we're going to go ahead and yank it up. Anyway, we got that one loaded up, no problems. Looks like it's been sitting there for a while. It's been stickered a couple of months in a row. That's a black Elantra. January tag. I'm gonna get out and check this tag. And if it's this one's still expired, I'm gonna go ahead and load it up. 2 months in a row. January 20. You check the e-brake. Looks like the e-brake's down. So this is a wheel lifter. I'm fixing to load this one up right now for sure.
I see you on YouTube, but I know what's going to live. Yeah. I see you. I was like, I saw your YouTube. I just watched the man and stuff, and I was like, you know, he enjoys it. And then it was like, he looked like he's like around with that and stuff. And then when I saw you with the GoPro, I was like, that's the dude from New York. That's the dude. Let me let him know. Yeah, I just ran down there and got my sticker. My sticker on there. You're good, man. All right. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Let's go, sir.
Anyway, I just met that gentleman. He's actually seen some of my videos, and he works he works from home. And he looked out the window and he saw me with a GoPro, and he thought, you know what, that might be the same guy I've been watching on YouTube. Anyway, it's kind of interesting seeing people that watch my channel. Sure enough, he was a good dude. Anyway.